हरिः कर्ता।
Okay, fantastic. So, to take the leverage of association rule mining technique, the Prasad understood terminology of it, and now he wants to gain more information and more insights and more knowledge about association rule mining so that he can apply this knowledge into the grocery store transactions data that he has. So for that, he is seeking for more knowledge. Let's see what he's going to explore in next slide. So now he wants to understand regarding association rule mining in detail. That's what his first priority. So what is association rule? An association rule represents an implication between two items in the form of x tends to y. X tends to y. So it suggests that there is a relationship or association between the items in x and the items in y. That's what X tends to Y or association rule says. Now, for example, consider the following association rule that you can see on the screen, which can be read as buying of item set of milk and a diaper tends to buying of beer. So consider this rule. So this rule indicates that when customers buy milk and diapers together, they are also likely to buy beer. So how significant this association rule is, how sure you are. So to decide and evaluate the significance of the association rule, we need to understand, not only we, even Prasad needs to understand regarding some rule association, rule evaluation metrics. And that's what Prasad is going to do now. He's going to understand about rule evaluation metrics. So to assess the strength and significance of an association rule, we use two main metrics: support and confidence. These are the two main, and we have one more, that's a lift, we will see later. But for now, to assess the strength and significance of an association rule, we use two main metrics, which are support and confidence. So what is support now? So support measures the fraction or percentage of transactions that contain both item sets X and Y. In our grocery store example, obviously Prasad is dealing with it. Support would tell us how often customers buy both milk, diaper, and beer together. For instance, if out of 5 total transactions, the item set milk, bread, diaper appears in 2 transactions, the support for this item set would be 2 divided by 5 or 40%, and that you can clearly see on the screen. So you got the 2 transactions, and out of 5 transactions, 2 out of 5. Bread, milk, diaper, it has appeared in 2 transactions out of total 5 transactions. So that is the reason support of item set milk, bread, diaper is equal to 2 divided by 5, or 40 percentage. So what's next? Confidence. Confidence. C. So confidence measures how often the items in the consequent item set Y. So in this case, basically in this example, if you take some, in this case it's a milk diaper. So Y appear in transactions that already contain the antecedent item set X. So it quantifies the strength of the association rule. For example, out of if out of 3 transactions that contain both milk, diaper, you see that milk and diaper, how many transactions we have? Milk, diaper 1, milk, diaper 2, milk, diaper 3. So if out of the 3 transactions that contain both milk, diaper and beer, the 2 transactions have beer. You see that? You got the beer here and you got the beer here. You got the 2 transactions have beer. Then the confidence would be 2 divided by 3, which is 67 percentage. So in so after understanding support confidence, Prasad is trying to sum up or summarize whatever he has understood so far. In Prasad's grocery store, he used association rules to understand which items tend to be purchased together. He discovered rules like milk, diaper tends to beer, which suggests that customers who buy milk and diapers are likely to buy beer as well. So Prasad then evaluates these rules using support and confidence. So support helps him identify how frequently these combinations occur, and confidence tells him the likelihood of finding the consequent items in transactions that already contain the antecedent items. By considering both support and confidence, Prasad can identify meaningful and actionable association rules. He can leverage this knowledge to optimize product placement, promotions, or most importantly, recommendation systems in his grocery store, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction and driving sales.